All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:25 in the morning of January 27th, 2023, and this is my pre-market strategy session. And there's about 5 minutes until the PCE report is released. Now, I've forgotten what the PCE report is, so let's dig that up real quick. PCE report. What is the PCE report? Here we go. PC Price Index, released each month in the Personal Income and Outlays Report, reflects changes in the prices of goods and services purchased by consumers in the United States. Okay. So, the PC report will come out at 8:30, and we ought to see a reaction. So I have the Qs up. This is the 10-minute chart on the Qs. And if you can see here, the yellow shaded region right here is the pre-market price activity on the Qs. Pardon me. And so that's current time this morning right now. There's about 4 minutes. And just to kind of go over things a little bit prior to this morning, here's the upward resistance line that I have. This resistance line isn't the same line that I see that most people have. Mine is a little bit different. I don't mind cutting through price. There are a lot of technical chartists who will say that because this line intersects some price action up here, it negates the validity of this line. But this is the line that I've had up now since almost a year now. I've been watching the same line, the same chart, and it was very reliable over here. I traded off of this resistance over here. Was that on the middle of August, 16th of August, and it worked out really well for me. And so now we have yesterday we opened up right at the line, dipped down below, almost closed that gap from the previous day, and then had a nice bull run yesterday. So, really quite fortunately, it gave me signals to enter into a long trade also. If we go back yesterday, I'll show you on the 10-minute. Here on the 10-minute yesterday, let's see. No, I'm sorry. Actually, I was thinking the day before that. I'm sorry. The trade that I took the day before that. Yesterday I traded this chart, and it was after it went up above, came down below, came back above, and then broke up decisively above that support and resistance line that I have. I took a trade and held on to it until the end of the day, which is really nice. Not a big trade, just a little one, but definitely made some money for me. So here we are this morning, and it's acting like it wants to back test the support and resistance line. Now, I tend to not trust back tests of sloping lines. If I have a flat line and it does a retest, then I'm okay with it. But the back test of a line that's not perfectly horizontal tends to be unreliable on either direction, whether it breaks down below it or breaks up above it. I suspect today will probably be there'll be a pullback. I mean, it kind of depends on what PCE does today too. Comes out in about 1 minute from now. Yeah, about 1 minute from now, we'll get the PCE report. And I'm not really worried about what the PCE report says. Really, I mean, I'll check it out later. After it comes out. What I want to see is what the how the market reacts to it. Really, it's all I care about. Anyway. Had a nice breakdown in the VIX yesterday. So we opened up below this sort of support and resistance line on the VIX of 19.12. You're actually not supposed to chart the VIX. You're not supposed to think of things in terms of support and resistance on the VIX. But I kind of do anyway. Let's see. We are probably about 10 seconds away from the PCE report. So let's see what happens. I've got CNBC open in another window here. So when that thing comes out, it ought to show up. But we'll see the reaction on the market first. All right. So the PCE report came out, and there's a little bit of a negative reaction here. The initial reaction, though, isn't the reaction to really act on. Let's see if I can find. I'm going to pull up on another window here, PCE report, to see what has come out, if anything. So we're looking for December's. Yeah, we're looking for December's PCE report. Let's see what we can find here. No headlines yet. Let me check Yahoo. Let's check and see if Yahoo Finance has it. No. That's funny. American Express CEO. We aren't seeing recessionary signals. That's good. Okay. Good for you. PCE report. Where are you? PCE report. Strange. Usually somebody has it as a headline pretty quickly after its release. I'm refreshing CNBC here to look for 5 things to know this morning. On a roll. Bad times for Intel. Not exactly child's play. Bed Bath & Beyond. Bed Bath & Beyond defaults. The 5 more things to know. That's from yesterday, Thursday. Let's see if we can go back here to the head page, the front page. I'm not seeing it. Let's go back here and check PCE report today. Yeah, and it's not bringing it up. I don't see December on there yet. Let's see. What is PCI report today? Let's see if that'll tell us what it is, what it comes in as. What is PCE report right now? When did this come out? Is this today's? December. Okay. 4.42%. Okay. And that's down from, let's see, we've got November of 2022, December of 2022. And I think it's expectation, that's down from 4.68 and down from 5.05. So it's looking like consumer prices are coming down. Core consumer prices are coming down from heightened levels. So that ought to give us a little bit of a boost. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So inflation is starting to abate, and that means that the Fed is probably close to slowing down and getting to neutral from hawkish on rate hikes. That's just that much more sort of incentive. Do I think it's bullish? Well, it's not bearish, right? And so the idea is the front run the Fed, and if the Fed is getting close to slowing down, then it's Fed funds raising its Fed funds rate. Then that's a good signal for the markets to rally. I do think it's just a matter of time until we start hitting whatever it is that the bond market is predicting. The bond market just always gets it right. Here's the monthly chart. This is something I go over every day. So the 10-year, 2-year yield is inverted. And once the 10-year, 2-year yield comes out of inversion, that's usually when we see a significant downturn on the equity markets. And so in the short term, between now and whenever this yield curve decides to start normalizing again, it can be bullish. So in the meantime, I am bullish. I will be looking for bullish trade setups on the market. And yeah, that's pretty much the way it's going to be for a while. All right, everybody, good luck out there. Keep your wrists tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I'll see you on Monday morning's strategy session. Have a great weekend, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I am out.